Understanding Bed Adhesion in 3D Printing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating term from the world of 3D printing, bed adhesion. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy to understand. Before we jump into bed adhesion, let's understand 3D printing. 3D printing is a process where a three-dimensional object is created by laying down successive layers of material. It's used in various fields, from manufacturing to medicine. In 3D printing, the bed refers to the surface on which the 3D object is printed. Think of it as the foundation or the starting point of the printing process. Now, let's talk about adhesion. Adhesion means the ability of one thing to stick to another. In everyday life, you can see adhesion when a sticker sticks to a surface. Combining these two terms, bed adhesion in 3D printing refers to how well the first layer of the printed material sticks to the bed. Good bed adhesion is crucial because it ensures the object is printed accurately and doesn't move during the process. Good bed adhesion is vital for a successful print. Poor adhesion can lead to problems like warping or even complete failure of the print. Therefore, achieving optimal bed adhesion is a key focus in 3D printing. That's all on bed adhesion. I hope this video has made this concept clear and interesting, especially for those learning English. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.